Hi everyone, welcome and thank you so much for coming to be here with us today. I'm Colby Hastings, I lead residential energy for Tesla. At Tesla, we are consistently striving for excellence and innovation. The only constant in my 11 years here has been change. Our mission has been growing with us as a company as we continue to expand our impact on a global scale. Tesla was founded originally with a mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable transportation. Our vehicles made driving electric the best experience you could have driving a car. From the beginning, this was our vision: sustainability with zero trade-offs, making the best products on Earth while powering them with clean energy. Driving electric, though, is only as sustainable as the grid that powers it. And so in 2015, our mission expanded and Tesla Energy was born. We leveraged our expertise in power electronics and battery cells to develop an entire line of clean energy technologies. Powerwall, PowerPack, Megapack, Solar Roof, all with the goal of generating all of the world's electricity from renewable sources. Affordable, clean energy is the key to an abundant future for humanity. We need to create and mass produce the technologies that will fundamentally improve human life on Earth, but they must be powered sustainably and affordably. And now, our expertise in manufacturing, clean energy, and real-world AI is enabling us to push this abundance mission farther and wider than ever before. Our Optimus robots will make life at home better, but also dramatically lower the cost and accelerate the growth of manufacturing. And our robotaxi fleets will ensure equal access to safe, reliable transportation. And all of this is going to be powered by sustainable energy. Yes! Imagine a world of limitless energy. Imagine a world of limitless productivity. That is a world of limitless growth and of limitless possibilities for humanity. That is a world where every person on Earth has equal access to life-changing low-cost technologies. We are confident in the future of clean energy, and we are confident in the ways that we can use that energy to make life better. Imagine now what this means for your home. Imagine if you had unlimited, clean, reliable energy generated, stored, and managed all right from your house. Never have to worry about blackouts, extreme weather, your family's safety. Power your air conditioner constantly without worrying about the environment or utility bills. Travel freely in your car because it's powered by sunshine. Have Optimus help you around the house and free up your time for what matters. And contribute your energy back to the neighborhood grid and share in this clean, reliable, abundant energy with your community and neighbors. We want to bring this experience of abundance to every home on Earth. And the product that we are gathered here to talk about today is in many ways at the heart of this mission and ecosystem. The introduction of this panel is fully in line with our history, mission, and vision, because there is no abundant energy without solar. Sunshine is free and clean, and solar is ultimately the most cost-effective form of generation that there is. And today, we're introducing a panel that delivers this with fully optimized performance, and as you have come to expect from Tesla, zero trade-offs when it comes to aesthetics. We have a long tradition of investing in US manufacturing, and this product is no exception. We will be building this module at Gigafactory New York, the same facility where our solar roof products are made today. And we are very committed as a company to continuing to invest in American supply chains for these critical energy components that will power the future of energy abundance. The introduction of this panel completes the journey that we have been on for the last 10 years in residential energy at Tesla. So let's travel back in time for a moment to 2015. Imagine you're a new EV owner and you're interested in electrifying your home. There are a lot of contractors trying to help you, but there are no quality batteries on the market. Every component seems to come from a different vendor. It's costly, it's time consuming, and when you finally get all of this stuff installed at your house, it doesn't work together in the way that you'd envisioned. We realized we needed to do something to improve this ecosystem and make it easier and cheaper and more delightful for people to get access to the full suite of electric technologies at home. And so Powerwall 1 was born from this, with a new vision for home energy storage. And shortly thereafter, Powerwall 2, with an integrated battery inverter, a product I know that many of you in the room installed with us for years and know well and probably still love. But we continued in our relentless drive for reducing cost, increasing the ease of installation, and integrating the ecosystem, and Powerwall 3 was born. We shifted the industry to an integrated hybrid DC architecture, improving the efficiency and reducing the number of independent components once again, just as we did with Backup Switch, making it far easier, cheaper, and faster to get whole home seamless backup for consumers. But you'll notice there's one product in this ecosystem that we have not been making until now. And with the introduction of our solar panel and railless panel mount, we are now completing the full home energy offering and delivering the best integrated experience for your home. Now you can generate energy, back up your home, charge your car, and manage all of this with one app and one optimization software.
Woo! Yeah.
Woo! Our products deliver on performance and savings while also being something beautiful that you can be proud to display at your home. This is abundance. This is sustainability with zero trade-offs. And now, without further ado, I'd like to hand it over to Seth Winger. Seth is the beating heart of our solar engineering team here at Tesla and the chief architect behind many of the solar products we've developed over the years. And I'm thrilled that you'll be able to hear more about this exciting new technology, not from me, but from the person that actually built and engineered it.
Thank you, Colby, and thank you. We'll see if you're all still cheering after I explain how solar panels work for 10 minutes. Like Colby said, Tesla has been making our own solar products for a long time in Buffalo, New York, with the solar roof tile. The solar roof tile since the beginning has used cascading electrical connections to hide the cells on the roof and create an all-black uniform appearance. We are now taking this same sleek, all-black cascading cell technology that we pioneered with Solar Roof and then developed and perfected and applying it to a solar panel. A conventional panel uses busing ribbon or wires to connect the cells together, and that's what creates the silvery grid that you see on the front side of a panel. But cascading cell technology connects cells differently. We first cut the cells into smaller pieces, and then we reattach them with a conductive adhesive. And when we're doing this, we are hiding all of the electrical connections. There's no wires, there's nothing visible on the front side of the panel. And that's where you get that sleek black appearance from. But we leverage that cascading cell technology not just because it makes the panel look good, but because it lets us generate more energy in shady and dusty conditions where a conventional panel would struggle. And I'm going to explain how we do that. Almost every panel on the market today connects cells into 3 strings on each half of the panel, connects the 2 halves in parallel, and then puts a bypass diode between each pair of strings. There's 3 bypass diodes, 2 parallel halves that create 6 zones of the panel that can generate DC power. These power zones, when shader dust covers one of them, it stops producing power. And the other zones of the panel work together to optimize the overall panel output and continue generating some electricity. This is already a big improvement over older generations of panels that only had 3 power zones. But with the Tesla solar panel, our cascading cell connections run at lower current. And that means we can connect 6 strings in parallel, and that lets us create 18 power zones in this panel, 3 times more than a conventional panel with no additional bypass diodes. You can see that when an object shades the Tesla panel, only 1/6 of our panel stops producing power versus what you would see in a conventional panel where it's 1/3. You can see that again here on my right side of the screen, more of our panel continues producing power than a conventional panel, a 25% boost. And this is true in all shade conditions. If you have shade along the short edge of a conventional panel, half of that panel is going to stop producing power. But in the Tesla panel, it's only 1/3. So 2/3 of our panel is still producing. That's a 33% increase in the amount of power we're making. If you have shade parallel to the long edge of the panel, the same thing happens. In a conventional panel, 1/3 of that panel would drop out and stop producing. But in the Tesla panel, we only lose as much production as there is shade on that long edge. These reduced losses in shade make the Tesla panel the perfect partner for the string inverter inside of Powerwall 3. We are able to optimize the energy generation of our panels in shady conditions without resorting to microinverters or other power electronics that get buried under panels on the roof. And this is true in the real world and not just on graph paper. What you're looking at here is a test that we did on the roof of one of our labs in the Bay Area. We built 2 identical arrays of panels, same angle, same orientation on the same roof, both connected to a Powerwall. One of these arrays was made of Tesla solar panels, and the other was made of a highly rated conventional residential solar panel. We then put 2 poles next to each array, and again at the same size, same spacing, same position relative to the arrays, to simulate shade from a telephone pole or a tree. And what we saw over multiple days of full sun production is that the Tesla panels outperformed the conventional panels, generating 22% more AC energy per kilowatt installed. That energy piece is important. When this is a panel built on our experience by installers for installers. We at Tesla have one of the largest fleets of residential solar systems installed, 500,000 sites. And we use the data, the information, the learning from those installs to feed back to my team, the engineering team, and the product teams to figure out what we need to do to make our products better, to deliver more real value for our customers, for the grid, and that real value is energy. When we compare power generation technologies, we think about levelized cost of energy, or LCOE. This is the total lifetime cost of the system divided by the total amount of energy it will make. And it is that cost of energy that we are focused on driving down in order to achieve amazing abundance and deliver clean energy for everyone. So what you're seeing here is that the Tesla solar panel is generating more of that energy. Panels are rated in watts. You buy them by the power, but your utility company is billing you for energy in kilowatt hours. And this is showing that the Tesla panel is generating more kilowatt hours for every watt that you install. Simply put, more lifetime energy generation for lower lifetime costs. Now, of course, when we make a panel that looks this good, we have to make a mounting system that looks just as good and keeps it on the roof for 25 plus years. And that's why we created the Tesla panel mount system. The majority of the installs in our 500,000 site fleet, those are done with the ZEP mounting hardware system. What we've done here is redesign and optimize that system, making it lighter and faster to install. We have been installing this new hardware in our direct installs along with our panel in our direct installs for the last few months. We have seen the results and we have seen the benefits that they offer to our installers, and now we are offering it to all of you. Traditionally, solar panels on asphalt shingle roof are attached with rails. The installers get up, they drill a bunch of holes in the roof, they attach long rails to the mounting blocks that they've attached, they attach clamps to the rails, then they attach, after all of that, panels to the clamps. The Tesla system reimagines this by integrating the rail into the frame of the panel. The panel frame is the rail in our system. We enable this with a groove that we designed into the profile of the frame, and then the mounting block rocks into the groove. So in a Tesla system, installers drill holes in the roof, attach the mounting blocks, rock the panels in, continue up the roof, and that's it. There are no rails, there are no visible clamps, just panels and mounts. And this keeps the panels low to the roof without compromising electrical or mechanical performance. And then we can attach skirts, which snap on to the sides of the array and hide all of this hardware, creating a clean transition from your roof to your panels. The system all goes together with one tool, an impact driver with a single bit, but we've also co-evolved a toolkit of things to help improve workflow and optimize work on the roof, everything from wrenches to ladder hoists. And all of this means that the Tesla system installs faster than its alternatives. And when we test this side by side with rail-based systems, we see that Tesla panel mount installs 33% faster than alternatives with rails. You can see it for yourself again when we finally stop talking to you on the ground floor. Of course, removing the rails also reduces the amount of aluminum that we need to use, reduces the weight of the system, reduces the cost. And as we build up the roof, we are connecting the panels together into single structural beams that stiffens the system and reduces the number of penetrations that we need. There's a version of this system that's available for every major roof type in the US: shingle, tile, metal, and flat. You can see them around the rotunda. And now, for the most important part, I'm going to give you to James, who's going to talk about how to order it.
There you go.
Amazing abundance. I think that's a future we can get excited about, huh?
Yep.
Yeah? All right. Well, we are really excited about this system. I think residential energy has an absolutely pivotal part to play in amazing abundance. Going to scooch this one over. We are one of the first, if not the first, to pull all of the components of the system together, and we're really excited about that. In typical Tesla fashion, performance, affordability, and looking really, really good are important to our product. So, really excited. Seth, team, thank you for an amazing Tesla solar panel. As Seth mentioned, this is a real product. It's a real product. We've been using it in our fleet. In fact, it's even installed on my house. If you are watching this at home and you'd like to order it, tesla.com, or one of our local certified installers can help you out. If you are not already a certified installer, please go on to tesla.com and become a certified installer. And for those of you that are here today, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming out and joining us on this beautiful day. Downstairs, we've got live demos. We've got the mini house. Take a look at the module yourself, run around the corner. We've got Optimus serving popcorn. And let's be really optimistic about the future. Thank you very much for coming to Solarama, and have a great evening.